Hello, welcome to the Trading Success Show, guys. Well, it's been a fantastic day in the market. Well, I have been really pretty much calling out buying the dips yesterday. It's not a recommendation to buy or to sell, but it's been spectacular. The only one that is really messing me up right now is DKNG. I have some few option calls on it, and it's not doing good right now. I'm actually in the money, but it's not giving me the gain that I really wanted. But today, what I'll be talking about is going to be VISL. For VISL, I've been calling VISL for a while now that I'm anticipating a move on this stock because the last time we did push all the way high from from $1.25 around this area, broke through the 200 moving average and onto our way to 530 550 area. So what I'll be looking for here is going to be this trend right here. This is what I'll be watching, and this trend actually comes with the moving averages as well. We have the 20 and the 50. The 50 is just right around the corner of $2.90. However, we need to get through the 20, which is 268. Okay, I think we should be able to close above that today because the 268 is also a resistance as well. Look at that right there. Okay, it's also a resistance, as well as we have the moving average that is also of resistance. Right now we actually consolidated around this area of the 200 moving average. Now we are bouncing off this level with a favorable market. Now when you look at this right there, we have our MACD coiling up. Though we don't have volume coming in yet, but it shows 3 days of buying, and our RSI is at the 42%. So what I will be looking for now is that break around this area, like I said. And there's a little catalyst that came in, the insider buying. We typed that in there, and it gave us a purchase of say 17,478 shares at 220. So this is the CEO actually buying, Miller buying some of his own company. Okay, so with that being said, he actually bought it at $2.20. Okay, and this is the size, and the date is on the 22nd. Okay, so it is also good that insiders are buying the stock. It shows a potential growth. It shows that something is happening within the company. Overall, VISL institutional holdings is ownership is 1.77%. Total number of shares outstanding is 46 million, and we have 2 million in terms of values. However, there's an increased position of 370,000 and decreased position of 344. So overall, we have total institutional shares of close to about 1 million. Okay, new position that just came in is 98,000, and we have all these holders at the moment. Overall, I think we have a long way to go with this stock. I think we should start pushing higher on this stock because I'm expecting we get to that $5 area again. It will be really, really, really good. So keep an eye on it. The last information we got was Vislink received multi-million-dollar contract to provide onboard and track side RF cameras and remote production system to NEP. Okay, that was the last information. And also we got another one, there was a contractor to successful festival broadcast. Okay, so it is very important. Okay, you see what I drew there too on the VISL on my stock chart. I drew this. This is the level the stock need to break, and then we start pushing higher. Overall, I like the name, I like the way it is setting up, and I'm anticipating a continuation of this stock to keep going higher and higher and higher. Okay, I have a huge amount of position in the thousands, so I'm still holding, and I'm anticipating more continuation on the name. Anyways, have you a fantastic day, guys, and enjoy your weekend.